Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of the Daily Weather by the Weather Wizard. Boy, do we have a lot to talk about today. We have a major snowstorm, if not a behemoth snowstorm, on the way. According to my chart here, study that for a minute. That is what I think the categories of snowstorms are. We will most likely be in this blue, if not possibly the green. Now, we'll talk about that in today's video. Let's talk about the cold, talk about the little system we'll see today, and I'll also talk about the big system that we could see Thursday and Friday right on its heels. So without further ado, let's get into today's weather. Alright, here's today's weather map. So what we're looking at is there is a cold front right around here. You can't see. Hidden system. There's a lot of moisture here. This will merge with a tiny piece of energy in the Midwest, and it will go like this, and will give us 1 to 3, possibly 3 to 5 inches with lake influence, but I'm not confident to say that much. Generally 1 to 3 inches through tomorrow morning. Otherwise, the big story for the next few days is the big snowstorm coming. This snowstorm is in the west right now. There is winter storm warnings in Texas and ice storm warnings right here. The watches extend to about here. I expect the winter storm watches to expect to our area probably tomorrow or tomorrow night, as this storm will be a prolonged event. Will be almost 36 hours from start to finish. It will be very cold during the main event. It will be in the upper teens to lower 20s, so the snow will be about a 20-to-1 ratio. The first wave will be a little bit heavier of a snow, but barely noticeable. This piece of energy will dive south of Texas because of this polar high. Strong polar high is pushing it south. Will give areas of Texas and Oklahoma maybe up to a foot or more. Then this piece of energy merges with a lot of Gulf moisture, merges and hugs the coast, and gives the heaviest snow to areas like this. Right now I'm thinking totally 8 to 12 inch snowfall, but the European model is calling for 18 inches of snowfall for Monday into Tuesday, so I cannot rule that out, but my forecast is currently 8 to 12 inches. I bumped it up from 6 to 10 yesterday. Our next system will enter the coast in a few days, 3 to 4 days. Be another piece of energy. It'd be a similar situation, but it could track a little bit further inland, which, if you love snow, could be even better for us. It could be even a bigger snowstorm. But that's a big gamble, as it could also give us rain, so we'll have to see how that plays out. So without further ado, let's get into our 7-day forecast. Alright guys, here's your 7-day forecast. Today, snow showers, mainly later in the day, maybe a little bit beginning of the day, but those 1 to 3 inches will fall in the afternoon and overnight hours. High of 17, low of 14. Steady or climbing tonight. Tomorrow, a couple of snow showers in the morning, maybe up to an inch, high of 24. Monday and Tuesday, I have red flagged for that big snowstorm. Heavy snow at times. I expect 5 to 7 inches. Monday during the day, into Monday overnight. Tuesday, expect heavy morning snow, 3 to 5 inches, for the storm total of right now 8 to 12 inches. Depending on model trends, I may need to up that or decrease those amounts tomorrow. We'll have to see. Highs will be in the 20s during the event. For the main event, the temperatures will be in the upper teens, so snow will be very fluffy and easy to shovel, thankfully. Wednesday, do we get a break? Well, not so fast, as there could be a monster snowstorm coming in Thursday and Friday, with big questions as whether there's warm air push with the system or not. If there is warm air push, we'll see rain. If there is not, we could see a big snowstorm. So we'll have to see what happens. Otherwise, I'll update you guys tomorrow. Definitely look for my Sunday summary, as I will do that if everything works okay. Otherwise, that is all for today's forecast, everyone. Thank you, stay tuned, and have a fantastic day. If you want to subscribe, please consider doing so to the left, as it will help out the channel. Share this video with your friends, and if you want to view my previous video, just click to the right. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you in tomorrow morning's upload.